Right then, so here's just a quick video. I brought a little moped type thing a few months back, just for getting to work and back on, just going across town. I'm not going to use one of my good bikes and just ruin them running it a mile each time and then stopping it at work. Anyway, you can imagine it's made of finest quality Chinese image. It's a Lexmoto Hunter. I think the correct name is a TD50Q. It's the engine on it is a clone of a Honda C50, which, well, a Pitbike engine type version of it, electric start. I just put a 70 top end on it, so it's 72cc. But the battery crapped out on it shortly after I got it. Well, I could spend like 40 quid on a new battery. You know, electric start and everything. It's got a kickstart. It's a piece of piss to kickstart. But running it a mile across town and stopping it just never gives the battery a good chance to charge up. So I was on eBay a bit back, and this bloke in his listing, it said he's moving abroad or something and he's selling his stuff off. Well, for about 8 quid, I've just got 4,700 microfarad 25 volt axial leaded capacitors. So I think what I shall be doing in a coming video is basically putting these into rows of sort of stacked, all paralleled up. I haven't worked out the capacitance yet. It's like over 200,000 microfarads or something. So yeah, what I'm going to do is, instead of buying a new battery for the bike, I'm just going to solder all of these together. It'll certainly provide the smoothing I need when I'm going along to run the headlights and the indicators and stuff with the engine revving a little bit. I'm not gonna be able to sit in traffic on idle with the lights on, the indicators and the brake on, and they keep providing power. They'll discharge within seconds. I don't think it's going to start the bike at all. I should say the amount of energy these will store, all that'll happen is you'll turn the ignition on, the neutral light will be on. If you touch the starter, it'll probably just flick for a second, like a fraction of a second, and before the engine even starts turning, that'll probably be it. But, you know, it'll be fun to find out anyway. So, yeah, I shall be bringing this to you. I know, hopefully get this done at the weekend. I think it's a good little idea anyway. If it doesn't work, you know, it's not all wasted. I can always use the capacitors in something else. It'll work to some extent. So that's what I'm going to do anyway. So, yeah, I thought if I put the video up, it'll actually give me the motivation I need to get off my ass instead of sitting down and binge watching Netflix. Actually get upstairs and get the soldering iron heated up and give it a crack.